Hi guys, this is Rika Faye, and for today's video guys, I'm holding a guyabano here guys, kaso nahati ko na siya sa dalawa, so I'm sorry. It is a tropical sweet bearing heart-shaped fruit like this. Kita niyo siya guys. And it has a soft spine, spikes, and the outer skin. When you say spike, di ba yun yung usually yung mga matutulis, yung thorn, di ba guys? Pero this one, it is a soft spine outer skin. Hindi siya gano'n na mahirap siyang hawakan, hindi. And as you can see guys, there is a soft pulpy white flesh inside. Ito yung kinakain dyan guys. And alam mo ba guys, pwede natin itong gamitin as fruit juice, pwede rin natin siyang gamitin as tea, and then at the same time, pwede rin natin siyang ihalo sa ating puree, and we can eat this also as it is. Yung ganito lang siya. Tikman natin guys. Tikman natin yung kanyang sweet, soft, pulpy flesh. Grabe guys. Naglalaban talaga yung asim at tamis niya. Tsaka alam mo ba yun guys, yung may naiiwan siyang lasa sa bibig. Yung meron siyang parang special added flavor. Grabe, ang sarap. Para lang kayo ng jowa mo, diba? May away, mabate, may lambingan. Char, may hugot. Joke lang guys. And ano ba yung benefits na makukuha natin out of this? And ang sabi guys, ang health benefits ng soursop in English or guyabano in Tagalog, it prevents bacterial growth and it also serves as an antivirus that hunt virus that may develop in our body system. Ang galing, di ba? Imagine, antivirus that hunt the virus to prevent yung growth sa ating mga katawan or sa ating body. Diba? Super beneficial talaga. And also guys, it is also served, yung guyabano, it serves also as the anti-parasitic to prevent parasite naman to develop inside their body. Wow! Imagine, hindi lahat ng fruits merong ganong kakanyahan ha. Yung virus, hinahunt ng virus para lang ma-prevent yung development ng virus sa ating body system. Wow! Amazing! Grabe guys, ang sarap. Pag nasimulan mo na siyang kainin, hindi mo na siya tatantanan. Hindi. Kidding aside joke. Kidding aside talaga guys. This guyabano or the soursop tropical fruit ay talagang kakaiba. So, kung kakain ka na rin lang ng fruits, why not eat yung mga fruits na talagang maraming beneficial tayong makukuha? Right guys? Do you agree with me? Okay, so guys, what are you waiting for? Tara na! Let's eat guyabano for a healthy living. Okay, goodbye for now guys. Stay safe and remember, health is wealth. Bye!